Well, hello everybody. This is Jomo Johnson, author, creator of SMS Novel. I am just so excited to share this short video message today to let you know that we have published, created, and have made available a 12,000 book library, fiction, nonfiction, all created using our minds and the ChatGPT software AI. Just an amazing accomplishment that I just feel so excited about, that we've been able to take our ideas, our concepts for books that we've had for years and decades, and using ChatGPT to create not just a book, but an entire 12,000 book library. OMG, how excited am I about this? We're making the entire library available. We're uploading books as quick as we can just to share. And also, each paperback is only $5. We're selling these paperbacks for $5. These amazing, unique stories that really, I believe, will inspire, encourage, entertain. Just a great tool. I feel like I've been born again, almost. So if you're interested in viewing our library, please click the link in the description. Visit smsnovel.com. If you're interested in creating your own book library, we are also able to help with that. It's important to remember that as amazing as ChatGPT is, it's nothing without people behind it with the ideas, the ingenuity. And as far as writing and publishing, it's nothing without authors and writers who have been doing this for years to be able to use it and utilize it. So again, please visit smsnovel.com. We have released our 12,000 book library, all paperback, all available for sale for $5. And if you're interested in creating your own library, please contact us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.